Hey, welcome to the Wardenberg Family Farm. We have an unexpected, sunny, beautiful day, and we're going to go for a bike ride. And we're going to leave right from the farm. So why don't you join us? We'll show you some beautiful country roads where we ride. Comes an athletic rider. Beautiful too. Roads are just starting to dry. Hey, we're riding on Epley Road. This is the same road as our farm, so just go along for the ride here. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. Ride by this farm on our bike route all the time. And now we're not going to ride by, we're going to ride in. We're home. Hey, we hope you enjoyed our ride today.
You got to see all the scenery and beautiful rural areas that we pass on our ride.
Yeah, all of the farms and all the scenery that were shown on this video are within 2 miles of our farm. So
we're in rural Cumberland County, Monroe Township, and there's a lot of farmland around us, so it's a great place to bike.
And if you like to ride, we'd love for you to come and visit us and go for a ride here right from the farm.
We can give you a tour.
So hey, until next time, goodbye from the Wardenberg Family Farm.
Goodbye.